Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Colorado Z71 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9918A. Only 49,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, red rock metallic in color. You do receive a lifetime powertrain warranty on this Colorado. See sales for details. Seats 5. Very clean. Rear defrost. Excellent visibility. 3-piece tonneau cover. Z71 Off-Road Suspension Package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, along with backup camera. Trailering package. The backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed liner as well as bed divider, which is also removable. Body is free of dents or dings. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Z71 has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owners inside. Under the hood, this Colorado has a 3.6-liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Colorado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.